Okay, the modifications on the FlyBear SBACH 342 are complete. I've got larger diameter wheels on it with stainless steel wheel collars. They operate much more smoothly than the stock wheels that come with it. I'm hoping that these will allow me to take off from the ground. I'll put some pictures up on the screen so you can see the details because I've got it all buttoned up, but I did end up using the ZTW Mantis 12 amp ESC. I did install 2mm bullets for the ESC and motor connections. I did end up using the WFly RF201S S-Bus PPM receiver, and they're secured with Velcro. All right, so and then I ended up being able to install the BIM gyro using and affixed it with Velcro in the back side of this cavity of the fuselage, and so that allowed me to just take the existing micro connectors for the servos, clip those off, and then crimp standard servo connectors on them. So everything is very compact, everything is nice and neat, and so I'm really happy with the way all those changes turned out. So now it's time to take it out and see if it will take off from the ground and see how well it will handle with the BIM gyro without any gyro stabilizing it like it does in 3D mode with the stock gyro. So we'll see you out the field. Let's see if we can get it in the air. Hey. Alright, so let's bring it through here in fully stabilized mode and then do a circuit, and then we will put it into wind mitigation mode. Gain a little altitude. Alright, we're in wind mitigation mode now. See how it handles. So far, so good. All right, time to do some stuff. Oh yeah. All right, so while my battery is fresh, let's come through here and try a vertical. Oh, I don't think it mines that. I don't think it mines that additional 9 grams at all. It still has unlimited vertical. I love the power system on this plane. Looks extremely stable still. I thought it would be. You know, I thought this was going to be a really good airframe to try and make even better. That's great. Oh, that's awesome. That is just awesome. I wanted to be able to set this up, you know, with a gyro that wasn't going to fight me, or, you know, provide stability while doing aerobatics. I love these 5 gyros. And man, it smooths out the wind. That is great. Well, I think we got a great flying little plane here that I think is now even better than it was. Look at that. That is handling awesome, guys. That is a fantastic airframe. Man, do I hope they come out with some more birds. Look at that. Well, I'm very happy with the modifications that I made to this plane. That is great. Fantastic. Okay, let's put it back into stabilized mode, bring it in, and see if we can land it on this little dirt lane. There we go. See if we can get it down without stalling it. Oh man, that is so sweet, guys. So I think that was a huge success. I'm going to have even more fun with this plane now. It's a fantastic little plane. I so hope that FlyBear comes out with some planes this size with this power system that are warbirds. And if they do, I will definitely pull the trigger on 2 or 3 of them. Just absolutely fantastic. If you haven't looked at this plane yet, take a look at it, because it is a great flying little plane. And with the stock setup, it's absolutely a joy to fly. It's absolutely a blast. But I just wanted to switch things out. Of course, put a little better landing gear on it, but switch things out to have it flying exactly the way I want it. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the air.